Hi guys, welcome back to Hanging Out with Lori. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I am excited for today's video. I haven't done one of these in so long, and that is an unboxing of Ipsy. Now I posed to you guys during a video if you would like to see me unbox my Ipsy products, because I do get Ipsy. I get the regular Glam Bag, and then I get Glam Bag Plus. I do not get the Glam Bag Ultimate. I think the price of that is outrageous. The Glam Bag Plus, which I believe is $25 a month, I think is a little steep for some of the months. This month I definitely got my money's worth, but other months I have not. So I have been getting Ipsy for a while now. So before I knew that you guys would like to see an unboxing, I have opened these, but we'll go through them, and then in another video I will use them to make a look, see if I can do that with all of these products. So this is what the Glam Bag Plus box looks like. My Glam Bag is in here as well. It comes in just the, I have a hair or something on my face. It comes in a bubble mailer, but the bigger boxes of course come in these boxes. So let's go over my Glam Bag first. This is what my bag looks like. It is a pink bag and it says Escape. It has like this tropical sunset feel to it. It is made out of like some type of polyethylene or something like that that will make it waterproof. Although I'm looking at the zipper, it looks like water could get in on top, except maybe not. I had the doohickey inside there. No, it looks like it'll zip up. So this month's, the toggle on the zipper is an airplane, so that's way cute. So maybe it's about vacation. I don't have the cards anymore. I looked for them, I couldn't find them. But the box says Discover Yourself, so maybe that is what the theme is. So the first item I got, it was not in the bag because it's too big. It's this Cold Brew Rosemary Balancing Scalp Pack with charcoal, and it says it's rated green. This comes at the perfect time since whatever is going on with my scalp is going on, and it's in another language. So I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to do with this. I'm assuming put it on like a conditioner maybe. Let's see. Okay, there are directions below all the other languages. We have it in a language I can read, which is after shampooing, apply a generous amount to clean wet scalp and hair. Gently massage and leave on for 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. No need to use extra conditioner. So I might actually use this tonight to see how it works. See if it helps my scalp any. I did get this detail brush by Smith's Glam. It's very pretty. I think they're probably the ones who made that other brush that I really like. It's really stiff, but it blends out the shadow really beautifully. So I'm excited to try this. This one feels very stiff as well. When I push on it, there's not a lot of give. I mean, there's some, but it feels kind of like a rubber band is how that give feels. So I'm excited to try that. We have this loose pigment by Naked Cosmetics. It's called Naturally Nude. I'm not sure if this is an eyeshadow or if it's a highlighter. That was the thought I had when I first watched it, or at least that's what I remember. So this is Naturally Nude. Isn't that pretty? It looks more like an eyeshadow, but it could be a pink, like a pink highlighter. Isn't that pretty? So I'm not sure. Highlighter, eyeshadow. What do you guys think? Leave it down in the comments. Then I have this BASD body lotion, and it's in the scent Seductive. It's sealed, so I can't really sniff it. Let's take the seal off. Oi! It's spitting everywhere. Oh, that's nice. It smells like it has sandalwood, or it smells like a head shop is what it smells like, to be honest. Pepper, sandalwood. I really get a pepper smell. Yeah, it smells like a head shop. That's what it smells like. Then I got this Will powder from The Balm. It says it's a blush. Did I just hear that they just came out recently with a new face palette, and this was one of the shades in there? I heard it was really good, but this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. It looks more like a highlighter than a blush. Yeah, it looks more like a peach highlighter. That's pretty. That's definitely pretty. Okay, so I'm excited to have Will powder. That's the name. I thought maybe there would be another name with it, but it says Will powder. So that's what I received in my glam bag. All right, I have picked up the box for the Glam Bag Plus. Like I said, it is $25 a month. I think I failed to say how much the Glam Bag is. I believe it's $12 a month when you pay on a monthly basis. The Glam Bag Plus box comes with 5 full-size items, and you do get to pick one item each month from both your Glam Bag and your Glam Bag Plus. So that is an option you have if you want to. They do tell you in advance what you are getting, but I try not to look at those. I know on the new cards they also say how much each item is worth, but like I said, I could not find those cards to save my soul. So next month I will be better prepared now that I know you guys want to see this. So the bag for the Glam Bag Plus is just a little bit bigger than the Glam Bag. And this one is purple. It has the same look to the front with the statement of Wanderlust. It has the same toggle, but the zip is on the front. I do know the Glam Bag Ultimate has a larger size bag, so they do increase with each box that you get. I did get this highlighter by Ofra, and this is in the shade Glazed Donut. I do not have this shade, so I am glad that I got it. I've had hits and misses with Ofra products, so I'm excited to try it because I know a lot of people talk highly about Glazed Donut, and this girl does like her highlighter, so I'm excited to play with this and see what all the fuss is about with Glazed Donut, but it is pretty. I did receive an eyeshadow by, I think it's by Il Makai. Maquillage Makai. I can never remember how to say their name, but that's who it is by. This packaging is rather cool. Let me see if I can set this box here so I can show you. I can't, so I'll set the box down. This is what it looks like. This flips up. This is just paper packaging. Now, if it had been the regular packaging, I would have found this even cooler than I already find it, and I already find it rather cool. But you pull it up, and then this extremely heavy single compact of eyeshadow comes out, and I have the shade News Flash. Then it just opens the this single flap here, so you have this extra metal right here, and then the flap comes up, and that's your eyeshadow. I think it's an amazing compact. The shade is this really dark, kind of mid-tone brown, but it is a shimmery brown, kind of like coffee grounds is what it kind of looks like. It's really pretty. I think that's the lotion I'm smelling. I was going to say it has quite the scent, but it's my lotion. So I am excited for this. It is rather dark, however, for a shimmery shade, but we will make it work. I do like this brand. I have only tried a few things by them, but what I have tried, I've really liked. I received this Awake Glow Pill Super Serum. It is a serum for your face. The packaging is adorable on this. Look at that. So I'm excited to try this to see if it is hydrating on your skin, because heaven knows I need something that's hydrating. It says, what I am, skin hydrating vitamins in a serum, the Awake Effect, skin appears more balanced, hydrated, and smooth. Why I'm special, pH 5.3, a super blend of vitamin B3, B5, and antioxidant benefits. Use me both AM and PM. So I'm excited to break into this one once I've tried it or used up all the other serums I have open at the moment. I've had a bad habit of opening skincare because I want to try it when I know I don't need to. Okay, this is Ciate London's Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I first heard about this by Jody over at something Beauty Lab. I can't remember her channel, but I will put Jody's link down below. That's when I first heard about it, and she raved about this, and I wanted to try it so bad. Now she does say that you have to burst the little bits that are in there. It helps release some of the hydration. So she did say that that takes a little bit of getting used to, but this is a really good hydrating primer. So I'm excited to try this. I've heard really good things about this, so I'm excited that I got that. I squealed when I saw that in my box. That's how excited I was. And then the last item I received is the product that I picked. It is a brush by Complex Culture. This is called the Contour Blush. It's a really funky looking brush, but I am a brush freak, and so I had to try it. It is an angled, like, fan brush that's angled to be somewhat of a contour brush. So this is what it looks like. It's rather large, and I'm excited to try it. I mean, it's thinner on one end and wider on the other, so it should be able to, like, cut your cheekbone if that's what you're looking for. But it also says you can use it for highlight and other face products as well because of the shape. So I am rather excited. This is rather a heavy brush. Now that I'm holding it, it's rather weighted in the handle. So yeah, I'm not sure how my poor little hand feels about that. So that's exciting. I have a highlighter, a blush, a primer, a loose shadow, 2 brushes to use in my next when I use these products to get ready. I might bring in some of my other products that I've received from Ipsy over the past few months, just so you can kind of see some of the items that I got and to create a look with it. So that is it for today. For those of you who wanted this video to live vicariously through my sample sizes, because I love Ipsy and smaller makeup items, this is for you. You know who you are. And I will be back so we can do a look using some of this stuff. This lotion smells really good. Head shop, total head shop, but it smells really, really good. Please take good care, be safe, be smart, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.